up, guys? It's the last day of 2016, so I wanted to make a video and just show you kind of like how crazy my life can get in one day. So I got a lot of things to get done today. First of all, I helped Adam move his car because of the paint and all this stuff, so my trailer, and then yesterday we had to go pick up Taylor because his Miata was broken, so I had to go get him with the trailer. So the trailer's still hooked up, so I gotta put that away. Then I gotta meet up with Alberto at CFT to pick up my race car because the windshield wasn't set yesterday. And then, well, there's a lot to do. You'll see. It's gonna get wild. So, let's go. I'd suck at filming this stuff. Fence is back up. Trailer's in there. I wanted to show you guys how good I am with backing it up in here. But, I forgot. Currently walking to my neighbor's house to ask him for a ride to CFT. So my neighbor does like detail work. This is his car. It's black or dark green. This is like the worst color to detail. So it's pretty shiny. I can see myself. Hello there. It's locked! What are you doing? Why are you locking me out of my own house?
Yeah, okay.
If I come here to eat, it's my house, okay?
What forward? You have to ask me if you could film me first.
Oh, it's like that though. Take me to CFT, let's go.
What is this?
I need a ride.
LZ?
My car is stranded. No, I'm not. No, let's go. I don't think I've been in this new of a car in a while. What year is this?
2014.
Why is it locked too? Why is everything locked? Dang it. My neighbors don't trust me. Oh, push to start in my Lambo Jeep.
Yeah.
We're here. Pick up my car. Yay. Batman, calm down, man. What are you doing? Calm down. I know you miss me. Oh Lord, please don't do nothing crazy. Oh God, mercy, have mercy. I don't know how he just isn't afraid. Dude, like right now I'm kind of afraid to even film. Oh boy. Ridiculous. Insane. This thing is so fun.
You are insane, dude.
So bad.
You are insane, bro. You see that lady that you
scared the crap out of?
When you came out of CFT, you literally like.
She got so scared.
Like, oh!
I let go of the throttle. I was like, oh shit. Alright, cool. Go.
So that's how you adjust.
Yeah, the focus.
Oh.
This one.
I thought it was. Doesn't that have autofocus though?
Yeah, but I don't use it.
Why?
Because it sucks.
Oh.
Anyways. Alright, I thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I will see you around when you have food at your house or something.
Yeah, we have no more tamales.
Oh, that's it. I don't want to be your friend anymore. Goodbye. Met up with Kelsey to get some fireworks. There's so many people here. Look at her. There's so many people here. Oh my God. What are we getting?
I don't know, I want the non-stupid shit.
What's the non-stupid shit?
All this stuff is stupid shit. I don't know, this looks like it actually does something.
We need stuff that pops.
That looks like it does something.
Mortars. Go find a mortar. They totally have mortars, all kinds. Look at this one. It's a 3, 2, 1s.
Alright, how much you want to spend?
You know, a little bit.
Like, you see how much that costs?
Holy, this is $139. So we were gonna get these because they're buy one get one free, and they're like a big burst. But everybody wants to get this one, and apparently people are gonna put money in. So sick. Grab 2 of these, which has a lot. So those 2,
And then those 2.
and then these, which are the biggest mortars in this whole place.
And then we can alternate them and have a good shot.
Sick! This is like way too like, I don't know how to do this.
Dark?
Yeah.
Adjust the auto.
I can't adjust the auto. I made it. Hello, Angel.
What up?
It's all dark. Hello, Tom.
Hello.
Let's go in the light. Everybody's here. Hello. High five. Everybody's leaving me hanging.
It's funny.
Yay. I wonder if this will work. I have, we have 4 hands? 2 feet? I don't know. We're gonna play Cards Against Humanities like this with everybody. Shut up, Taylor. Shut up, Taylor. This is my important last day of 2016.
Oh, okay. That's your
Okay.
excuse. That's your excuse
Okay.
for it. Okay. Okay.
The updated ones
Playing Cards Against Humanities.
relevant to the time. Yeah.
Tyson has like a giant set.
I have a bigger, blacker box.
Oh God.
I have no idea what's going on. I'm filming hijinks. Marco, what are we doing right now?
We're about to do burnouts and fireworks and pit bike wheelies.
I got it. I got it. This should be ridiculous, but really fun. And probably awesome. Still recording. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Awesome. Look at the smoke coming
Fucking
out of the
ridiculous.
car.
Look at this.
It's crazy. I don't know if you can see it. Did you see that?
You can totally drive in this.
Oh my God.
That's totally
That's
fine.
wild.
That's fine.
Oh!
Your battery's dying.
You want to go hit the corner?
There goes the top. That was like the perfect time for it to go.
How'd you feel with that? He was driving the other S13 LS. The burnout was sick.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
But
Window got stuck up.
yeah, his driver window's like super tinted and it got stuck up. And the corner's a left corner, so and it's dark.
It's super sketchy trying to enter in sideways when you can't see shit.
But we got time. It's still like 11. We have an hour.
I'll force the window down.
I'm gonna change some spares and we'll figure something out. Can you even fit in there?
I kinda can. The seat's a little high, but like, my leg seats fit. Because you don't dash.
Look through the front windshield. Taylor's doing the burnout this time, so I can film. And we're gonna have 6 cannons of fireworks. We're set, 6 barrel, with a torch. That Tyson's ready. 4, 3, 2, 1, light 'em up! I can't see. It's okay. It's just the brakes. The brakes are a little lit right now, fam. They're a little lit right now.
Oh my God.
Happy New Year! That's on fire. It's on fire. Taylor knows how to step on that brake. I'm gonna tell you. Woo! High five. Yeah!
Oh my goodness.
That was awesome.
A lot of fun. Where's my
Look at this. Gone. Rubber everywhere. Oh my God.
Get all the time on the ground.
I'm gonna throw this at Taylor. Taylor! Taylor!
Give me a hug. Happy New Year, buddy.
Happy New Year. Is this like a double vlog Happy New Year?
Yes.
Awesome. Turn it off. Turn it off.
It's like literally on fire still.
Who turned it off with a beer? That's the best.
I think I might have got that too.
It's good. I have one inside the car too. Thank you though.
Wait, watch. Smoking?
Oh, that's fantastic.
Wait.
Oh my
Oh! That was on fire! Wow!
When it snows in Florida.
When it snows in Florida, it's a race car snow. Oh my
That is a
God.
serious chunk of tire.
That's crazy.
It is a tire snowman.
You made a tire snowman. Oh, this is awesome. The best gift of I will gladly accept that. Thank you, sir.
You paid for it, technically.
I'm not paying. I'm taking this. We're lit, fam. We're lit. We're lit. We got people on both sides. Let's go. First gear. Clutch in. This is Jimmy's first time in my car. Oh man, you got it.
I can't see anything.
You're fine. I forgot about the lights.
That's what I'm saying.
Cam will do that to you. Oh, look at Taylor doing a wheelie.
Right in the way.
See the cones? You're gonna drift around that.
Alright.
Just pull up to it and we'll get off.
Oh, this is nice. Just in case I can.
Yeah, this is spacious. This is good right here.
Let us know before you start doing donuts. Nah, that's the fun part.
tires are so done. You killed it. That was awesome. Was that third gear?
220 at third.
That's awesome.
This car is amazing.
This temp is awesome.
Your car is amazing, Marco.
It took a long time to build.
You don't need this to breathe, boy.
You're gonna laugh. I literally got a bloody nose from driving your car.
No!
So rich. Look,
That's
look, look.
awesome.
Is that insane?
What? That's crazy. I'm so sorry, Jimmy. I didn't mean my car to hurt you.
That was really fun.
Thank you.
Because it just robs through it.
Bro, high five. I'm so glad you're here, bro. I'm so glad you're here.
Tire left.
I'm so glad my friends are all here. We can all be burning out. Where'd Taylor go? There! Okay. Bro, just like on three, Happy New Year, all right? All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year!